Hello, and welcome to today's video. If you've ever sent a video through Discord on your Android phone and noticed the quality looks blurry or pixelated, don't worry. There's a simple fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable the best video upload quality inside the Discord mobile app. First, open the Discord app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap the settings icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Next, scroll down until Find Chat and tap it. Scroll down again until you see the option called Video Upload. Now, select the best quality option. Be aware that this setting will use more mobile data when uploading, so make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi if needed, and that's all it takes. Now your videos will upload in the best quality possible on Discord. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if it helped you out.